kidding.
What's this dinnerware now?
All right, so there's a little mini theme happening in the middle of the show. By the way, there's about 48 minutes remaining on our one time only. There's 48 minutes remaining on 5 Easy Pays on everything, and a lot of these prices as well. This is one of few clearance prices in the show. Little mini theme that has been happening, outdoor dining. So we talked about the food tents, we talked about the caddy. Now let's talk about dinnerware.
Yes.
Well, we had the 12-piece dinnerware set earlier, right? Well, I don't know that you're necessarily carrying all of that weighty dinnerware outside. Here we have the Melamine set for $40. So once again, girl, that's $3 and change each. It's 5 easy payments of $8. Please stop using the paper plates.
Right.
And
Agreed.
let's start using something far better for the environment and far cuter.
And by the way, ours goes in the dishwasher.
Thank you.
Not all melamine
That's
is made the
true.
same.
That's true.
So this has a nice thick, thickness to it, which I love. And again, you get the vibrancy of the colors. You're going to get 4 of the bowls, 4 of the plates, just like a service of regular dinnerware, and then 4 of the dinner plates, 10.5-inch, 8-inch, and then of course your 18-ounce bowls. And what I love about it, like we said, all of it goes in the dishwasher. And if you drop a piece, no worries.
whoop.
So we have confetti. We have, of course, the patriotic. I love this. Like, I love what you said. Stop using the paper plates.
Please.
These are reusable because you can put them in the dishwasher. There's your yellow. Look at how sweet the garden
Oh,
is.
look at
with
that.
all of the little critters. Like, that just screams summertime. Then, of course, we have the blue. And last but not least, we actually have it in the palm.
Okay, so a couple things. Palm, very limited. Do you see this original QVC price on this set? $64. You are saving $24 at this clearance price. I was thinking, how funny is it that really the only way for you to know that this is melamine is for me to either tap on it, or for you to look at the actual description, because if you didn't know, you would say it was Temp-tations.
100%. You would think this was exactly like your stoneware.
I don't like it when
But
you
you
have
don't
1
have to worry.
minute to talk about
I'm
it.
telling you.
All right.
I'm sweating.
We're big.
I love it.
Rolling down.
Yep, exactly.
All right, H257198 is your item number. Clearance price means no mas. Once it's all sold out, no more reorder. Okay, where am I going?
Where are we headed now? Oh, the
Serving
platter.
tray.
The platter.
Okay.
Yes.
And I gotta be quick.